Yay. Yay. Yeah, slide. Come on. Yay. So this is my new wall art. I bought this to replace this wall art when I had took it down for my Halloween wall. This broke. A little sad, I mean, but it's not that serious. These are just straws that I cut up and painted and made my own little art that made it look like, I believe it's like rhythm or like a wave line. That's what it is. So this was a DIY, so I'm not that mad. But this is what I got. This wasn't that much, 35 plus military discount. So I think it'll be a nice new little addition. It is gold rings and this is rose gold. So I do have an issue with that. But this is the only thing that I saw that wasn't super expensive, as wide as I needed, and was the circle pattern, to be honest. I picked up this decor from Big Lots. Actually, I picked up this decor from Dollar Tree, and obviously it wasn't $1. Let's see. This is $5. I just thought this was nice. Pretty sure I'm gonna put this on my centerpiece in my table, but I really wanted this. I know I have other Easter things, but not too much. I just thought this was a nice little addition. It's not that much, so yeah. Just came back from the beach. It was so hot, but it felt so good. It's 85 degrees right now. Trista is knocked out. I think I got a package from my husband. Package from my husband. All right, I got tons and tons of things from hubby. I don't know if y'all can see it. Now, bear with me, because if it don't have any type of like English words, I can't help y'all. So first thing, it says shrimp flavored fluffy rice flour chips. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. You want to try it? Woo! First of all, even though I'm sick, I can smell that it smells like shrimp. It's very, very fishy. I'm gonna give myself one first. Here you go. Try it.
Ew, I like it.
You don't like it?
Yeah,
Let me see.
I like it.
Thank you.
Lord.
Let's see.
No like it. No like it.
It's weird. It reminds me of pork rinds. It's not bad. I mean, it is shrimp flavored, which I think is quite weird, but like the texture of them. That's why I'm eating it. So we got some noodles. It don't say what it is. It just says cook with happiness. I'm gonna jack this up. But I got some noodles. This is the packaging. Got some more noodles. Does it say it? Corn pottage. Maybe it's like porridge or something. I don't know. But this is what it looks like. I got another one. These pictures look amazing, by the way. Even though I'm pretty sure they don't have all of this in here. I'm assuming because there's a big garlic on there. Little garlic picture on there. This is more garlic flavored. There's also some noodles. So I think this is like sticks or something. I believe they're sticks. So based on the picture, it looks like cheese sticks. It says no microwave. I'm about to see. I think they're cheese sticks. This is what, hold on. This is what they look like. They look like cheese fries or something. They're like cheese bread sticks. Interesting. I don't know if I would say these are like my faves. I think I just like crunching down on them, to be honest. I could barely breathe while eating this. There's another pack of noodles, UFO. Like, look at the packaging. These actually look really bomb, and I really want to try these. So far, I have 4 cups of noodles and snacks. Let's see. What is this? I guess these are kind of like the fries again. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know if my husband just like picked up some stuff and was like, this looks cool, and just sent it. I don't even know if he eats these. They look like little French fries. Let's see. It's not bad. It's garlicky. And it seems like it has cheese in it. But not bad. So far, he's been giving me things that are like puff consistency. And these pancakes, maple and margarine. So basically, maple and butter. I don't know why he sent this in the mail. That I got like pancakes. I'm not gonna open them because I don't want them to go bad. I haven't been waiting that long either. I think it only took a week for all this stuff to get here. So it wasn't that long. It was sent the Tuesday after Martin Luther King Day, so the 16th. And today is, I believe today is the 26th or the 27th. So at least like 10 days, like a week. Peanut chocolate is what it says. I think these are like little cookies. Obviously, even though I'm opening all of these things, these will be devoured within 2 weeks. So they will not go back. Because I will go ham. This is like little turtle truffles. These are so good. Okay. He gonna have to bring me some more of these. It's pretty much like an M&M with the nuts in it. These are really good. I already know. I'm gonna tear these up. Hey. Last but not least, this is the package. It says caramel corn strawberry flavor. I smell the strawberry. Hopefully these are just like really sweet. I don't know about this. This reminds me of some type of cereal. I'm trying to remember what cereal I had this taste before. It's like that artificial marshmallow taste. It's not bad, but it's bad. Just that face. It's good. You like it? His face. I don't know. Tristan likes it, so here you go. So I guess that's what will be eaten by him. This will be his treat. I think the fact that I read caramel, even though it's a strawberry flavor, it just like threw me off. The beach was relaxing. We met some cool people there. And now we're home. I'm exhausted. And I got my package. Hopefully my husband got his package, which was the Valentine's Day stuff. Because hopefully I can put it into this video. But I've been holding off even though it was pre-recorded. But as of now, I'm just waiting for my food to get here. What are you doing? I am tired. Again, I'm sick. I'm always sick. And I believe it's either because of him and when he's at daycare, he brings it to me, or it's because it's outside. You want some more? I hope you guys have a great weekend and see y'all next time. Bye.
Nice bathroom in Japan. This is what they got over here. Light it up for you.
Up, down,
Mm-hmm.
up,
Yeah.
down.